Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add your bank account to Kraken. First, open the Kraken app or website. Go to deposit, choose your currency like EUR or USD and select a method that supports bank transfer. For example, choose ideal, enter the amount, e.g. €1, tap review and swipe to deposit. Then select your bank, complete the payment, and the money should appear almost instantly. To add a bank account for withdrawal, go to Portfolio, Withdraw, choose your currency, and tap Add New Withdrawal Method. Select SEPA or SEPA Instant, enter your IBAN and a short description, then confirm. Verify via email and your bank will be added. That's how you can easily deposit and withdraw money on Kraken. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.